Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel Caring Guy. Today, we're unboxing something truly special that's perfect for gifting, the new YL3 Mini Drone. Don't let its size fool you, this little flyer is packed with features that make it a total game changer, especially for anyone getting into the world of drones. Let's get right into what makes this drone stand out. Unbelievable camera and FPV control. First up, the visuals. This drone comes with an incredible 8K HD camera. That's right, 8K. It captures stunning, professional quality photos and videos from the sky. What's even better is the screen on the remote control. You'll get a crystal clear, real-time view of what the drone sees, thanks to its 5G Wi-Fi FPV signal. The front camera also has a 90-degree adjustable angle, so you can get the perfect shot every single time, from sweeping landscapes to eye-level action. Smart, safe, and stable flight. The YL3 isn't just about a great camera, it's built for intelligent and safe flying. It's equipped with a brushless motor, which means more power, less noise, and a longer lifespan. The built-in optical flow positioning helps the drone hold its position steadily in the air, making it incredibly easy to control. And for peace of mind, it has a four-sided obstacle avoidance function. This means it can sense and navigate around obstacles in front, behind, to the left, and to the right, which is a fantastic feature for beginners. It's also got useful smart functions like gesture photography, trajectory flight, and one-click return, making flying feel intuitive and fun. Compact powerhouse. Finally, let's talk about portability and performance. The YL3 Mini is super compact with foldable arms, so you can easily pack it up and take it anywhere. Despite its small size, it has an impressive remote control range of up to 1,000 meters, giving you a huge area to explore. The 10 to 15 minutes of flight time gives you plenty of opportunity to capture your perfect shot. And for those late-day flights, the built-in LED night navigation lights not only look cool but also help you keep track of your drone after sunset. So, whether you're looking for a top-notch toy, a gift for a tech-savvy friend, or your first drone, the new YL3 Mini is a fantastic choice. With its high-quality camera, advanced safety features, and user-friendly design, it delivers a flying experience that's hard to beat. If you're ready to start your aerial adventures, this is the drone for you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more reviews.